everyone. Today we will discuss how the body systems work and its relationship to human movement. Body systems are groups of organs and tissues that work together to perform important jobs for the body. One of the systems is the nervous system. How do our lungs remember the breath when we are asleep? How does your nose tell you what your favorite food is cooked in the kitchen? And why do you feel pain after you get wounded? The nervous system plays a role in nearly every aspect of our health and well-being. In fact, it is the boss of our body, the main source of human movement. It is a network of organs and nerves that send signals throughout the body. It controls everything, including breathing, smelling, reading, thinking, and feeling. The two parts of the nervous system are central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The CNS consists of the brain and spinal cord. The brain controls the body function by receiving and sending messages through the nerves. The brain links to the brainstem, the spinal cord, and the rest of the body. It is in charge of all activities in order to stay alive, like breathing air and digesting food. Now the PNS has two functions. Some of the nerves receive information when we taste something. It is called sensory nerves, and other nerves called motor nerves. They tell action and what to do. Peripheral controls some automatic movement such as breathing and digesting, because all the nerves are made up of neurons. Now, we know a lot about the nervous system. Let's go to muscular system. Each time you take a step, 200 muscles work in unison to lift your foot, propel it forward, and set it down. Our 650 muscles covers the body, and it is the reason we can blink, smile, run, jump, and stand upright. The primary job of muscle is to move the bones of the skeleton and enable the heart to beat. When the nervous system signals the muscle to contract, groups of muscle work together to move the skeleton. One of the main functions of muscular system is mobility, the ability of a joint to move actively through a range of motion. Example of this is walking. Next function is for circulation. The involuntary cardiac and smooth muscles help our heart beat and blood flow through your body by producing electrical impulses. As muscles work, they produce energy and heat in the body. The muscular system may be largely invisible to us, but it leaves remarkable in almost everything, whether it's a blink of an eye or race to the finish line. Now let's go to the skeletal system. It is the body's overall shape or the framework of the body. Human movement relates to the skeleton, which allows movement of the body as a whole in its individual parts. Bones work with muscles, tendons, ligaments, and other connective tissues to help you move. Skeletal system is a support and protection of the body organs. The skull, which part of the bone, shields our brain. Ribs protect our heart and lungs, and our backbone protects our spine. One of the components of the skeletal system are the joints, which where two or more bones in the body come together. One of the example of the joint, we call it movable joints. This allow range of motion, our elbow, shoulder, and knee. Now that we know about our skeletal system, we should take care of our bones by doing exercise, running, dancing, and play outdoors to make our bones strong, and take food contains calcium for our bones. Thank you for watching.